As a creatively driven young person, I always knew I wanted a creative career. The Bachelor of Design and Visual Communication at UTS gave me the creativity and freedom to enjoy my art and the opportunity to branch out into a new arena of graphic design. My tutors provided me with a great sense of security while I was studying. They helped me understand that embracing change through my career would ultimately positively impact me as a graphic designer. UTS challenged me to think beyond trends and really understand the why behind everything I create. I can confidently say I learned a lot and built a lot of lifelong friendships and memories from studying at UTS. Not only did I learn the technical skills of design, but also very conceptual and almost philosophical notions of design, which was really eye-opening and honestly continues to be very helpful in my day-to-day design career.
I chose to study a Bachelor of Design in Visual Communication at UTS because it offered some of the most hands-on, practical courses for creatives, and the innovative, industry-focused program really stood out to me. I was even lucky enough to convert my internship into employment after graduating. Visual communication is so much more than just designing. UTS lets you explore every creative aspect, from branding and typography to interactive media and experiential design. My tutors and peers really changed my perspective on where a creative career could go. That shift in thinking is what led me to explore beyond visual design and eventually sparked my interest in marketing. My experiences opened up a whole realm of possibilities for creativity, and I honestly wouldn't be where I am today without them.